Hey, it's Steve at Raybuck Auto Body Parts. I'm going to show you real quick how to replace a tail light bulb on a 2011 through 2017 Honda Odyssey. It's really simple. Once you put the hatch of the vehicle up, you got two Phillips head screws, or almost like body bolts. We're going to unscrew those, and then this whole assembly is going to pop right out. So I'm going to unscrew those here, and we'll pop that out, and I'll show you what that looks like. One. There is two. Take those out, set them down so we don't lose them. And then this whole assembly, if you just kind of grab, this works the same on both sides, just kind of grab right there, slide it back, comes out. Be careful so that it doesn't slide down, scratch your paint. And then you have two different connectors in here. These things just rotate. You just literally rotate them, they pop out, and then you replace the bulb. So in this particular case, we need to replace the brake light. So I have the bulb here. If you don't know what bulb you need, you can look it up online. A lot of places will have a lookup per vehicle, or you can go into a store, or you can look it up in your owner's manual. This one happens to be a 7443, so a 7443 bulb. You also could just take the bulb out, and most of the bulbs have numbers written across them. On this particular one, it's probably not going to be easy to see because it is clear and it has a marking right there, but you can see 7443. So just got to match that number. So if you take the bulb out, you can go online, or you can go to a store, or you can go to one of our websites. Henry's Automotive Warehouse carries these. Actually, even on the Raybuck site, I think we carry the 7443 bulbs. I'll put a link below if we do have it, and I'll show you right now how to replace it. So this one, this top one here, is the backup lights. We are replacing the reverse light, the reverse bulb I should say. So literally I just twisted it. There you go. See, it's right there. And all I'm going to do, sorry I'm trying to do this with one hand, just popped it out. Now if you could sort of see how dark that one looks, and if you could see even closer, it's hard to tell, but one of the filaments is burned out on it. This is what the new one looks like. See how clear that is? I am going to stick this back in here and twist it right back in. Okay, that's it. Just pops right in. Most bulbs like this either just pop in, just slide in, or they might slide in and twist. Usually the older vehicles have like the little brass ends with the little nubs. You put it in and twist. This one just pops in. So all I'm going to do is put it in, twist it, and then reverse the order. I'm going to slide the light back on, screw it in, and we will be set. So let's put this in place. There you go, it's in place. There's Blake, he came out to help me.
So I just wanted to see where you were.
And then we're going to put this right here. Try to do this with one hand while I'm holding the camera. Slide it in like that. Going to put the screws in it, and it's done. So I'm not going to go up and press it because I don't have a tripod with me right now, but that will fix it. The light will come back on. It's as simple as that. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Like I said, the other light works similar. Front lights are very similar too, except the light whole lens harness doesn't come out. You reach in from the back side, and then there's a fitting right in there. Take it out. So again, if you don't know what bulb it is, it's easy enough. Just take it out, look at the number on the bulb, and look up that number online. You'll be able to find it. Again, check out Henry's Automotive Warehouse. It's henrysautomotivewarehouse.com or raybuck.com, and you'll find it there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We appreciate it.